Hi guys, welcome to this computer system. It's actually ALCI pure, so ISO is something we use in ArcoLinux, so it doesn't show you anything. You need to know with what ISO did you start, because it was just Arch. We use Calamaris to install everything, and then it's up to me to decide to go, for example, to fish and to get things in from ArcoLinux and get chat.pm working, arcolinux-nemesis scripts, run it, do not run it, right? And topic of the video is actually a new ISO that I've put online, Alci Hardened, and I'm testing it on ALCI pure. So the Super F7 is launching my virtual machine. I have already copy paste. So all I did is add. I make sure I have a template ready to select it and then clone it. Makes my time and makes the installation faster. That's the new ISO that's online on SourceForge, or you can build it yourself. And then we're going to install it. So this is pretty much how Arch greets you. It's still very much ArcoLinux, but we don't like to type, right? Or we don't like to use Arch install. We do like a graphical environment to boot into, and Calamaris is there to help us. But it's a minimalized, normal version, so to speak, the one where you select a few things, just 6 or so tabs, and off you go. What did we choose in the ALCI Hardened? A different desktop. It's always something different, an SDM or no SDM, chaotic AOR or no chaotic AOR choices. All these ISOs are different. Now you know, it's not gonna be Mate, it's gonna be Plasma, right? So it's just a word, 5 letters, Plasma, and that's it. 6, right? It's that easy. Playing with the Lego blocks from ArcoLinux, it's that easy. Just saying I want to have, well, easy and not easy, right? All the jibber jabber you see up here is, yeah, whoa, is Wayland. Wayland on a virtual machine, So that's why we told Calamaris, never mind, right? Use X11. So let's go to X11 here as well. This case I have to go out, go in, if it lets me. Let's see, sometimes we need to just pop it. Here we are, X11, live user, enter. So that we don't see this screen jitter, lag. And off it goes. Next. So this is what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, not even, right? So basically this is the welcome. This doesn't count, although language. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then you decide this one, right? Or not rice anymore. 4. And that's it, because this is just a summary. Few screens, and that's the easiest way to install something. There's no internet required. What is on the ISO goes on your machine, and then it's up to you. All right, that's the. I have no issues installing an operating system, because basically it's just now at this point in time rsyncing. It's gonna say let's do in rsync, and let's copy paste from A to B. What can go wrong? Not much, right? Not much. And all the rest is, yeah, your basic setup, but never online. So no issues with countries who block internet communications, or firewalls that are down, or servers that are down, or keys that are wrong, right? It's just one bit and another bit moving from A to B. So let's wait, or shall we have a look at the Control T, if that's possible? Yes, it is. NeoFetch is the one thing I've put on the ISO because I want to show you what we're on, right? So Hardened ISO is the choice here. Only 972 packages, but that's not true, because a lot of things that are on here, not a lot, I mean 10 or 20 packages will be removed, because we need those packages for this guy. Calamaris requires dependencies. Afterwards, we say try to remove the dependencies, and ArcoLinux is made that way, or created that way, if it can't be removed because of a dependency, it just stays, right? So that's cool. We try to remove it, and if it's needed, it stays. That's exactly the way we should use it. So let's wait for this to install, and then we'll see each other again. Time to restart. That's always the fun, of course. You have a bare plasma, or you have a bare mate, a bare cinnamon, a bare XFCE, and that's when people say you can start rising this thing, right? It's up to you to see how you rise things. There are so many for plasma, wow. So many designs in so many parts of the system. So you can handpick, cherry pick everything the way you like it. And there's Wayland for you. So much fun, Wayland, right? And you remember this, so you go out as quickly as possible, log out, right? Log out before you get stuck or anything. And tell them, my God, forget about Wayland and VirtualBox, but use it on real metal, okay? So X11, thank God it's still there. Otherwise it would be only real metal. So if you want to try it out, you can have a look. Now, let's go over the applications. This is minimal, right? There is console, yay, right? Something, Yakuake, so some choices I've made already, because when you type plasma, you don't get console. And Yakuake is just the F12 drop down, which I kind of like, that this thing is there, F12, poof, it's there, right? You say, okay, you say. And now it's there. System settings, we'll have a look. VLC is there. All the rest, just the one. But VLC is not my choice, actually. It's a dependency of a certain package. I don't recall, but yeah, didn't choose that. So it's there, which is okay. Breeze dark, apply. Let's go dark. But there is so much, there really is so much. You can go for global theme, make this bigger, and go in here. We have wallpapers, colors and themes. All of this, any of this, can be just handpicked. Or you can say, oh, you know what, I'll just go for a global theme, which is get new here. And then there is so much. At this time, I think most of them have well, migrated to the latest version of Plasma, so we don't need to add Plasma 6 or anything, but that's probably what the 6 stands for, right? There is a Windows 11 Fluent Dark, sure. Choose what you like, right? We don't care. And you can go for start downloads here, the name, the rating, the release date, maybe something new, never seen before. Amethysts, 5 out of 10, that's not much. 5 out of 10, but don't follow. Well, this looks good, right? So give it a go. It's always good to try it out on a virtual machine. If it's not okay, it's not okay. Done, delete, try again. And then on the real metal machine, you know what themes you like, and then keep those as the defaults. So we'll have keep an eye on this thing here. So close, bye, and now we click. Sometimes we have to click, and a click, and a click, another click to confirm. And there's also this option that you can try. A nice mouse, actually. The buttons, well, they're different, simple as that. The color, this thing is gone. So if you go over it, it's there, and otherwise you'll miss it. It's the way it is, right? Choices and all these things here, they're all there, but you need to move over it to see it. So it's all about choices and trial and error, because now it won't open anymore. System settings, so something went wrong with system settings. Sometimes it helps to leave, log out. Remember, the things you download are users, right? It's you and me. It's not from Plasma at all. You can try to log out and log in again and see if it gets applied any better. There you go. We got ourselves system settings again, and then quickly change it again if we don't like the design. This is quite dark. We could go and have a look if we have colors and themes maybe. So what did we get? We got Muse. Can I make this bigger? No, done. Oh, there we are. So colors is this, night light. Okay, application style, still breeze. Muse here, plasma style. Go for breeze light, apply. So we still can't see the icons. So I guess it's not perfected yet, or not perfection yet. There is icon here, icon black and black dark. Maybe that's the deal. There you are. This we can see, and yeah, that's the white one. All the rest is still black, so black on black, and we don't see a lot, eh? This looks like the normal look, I guess. Better, much better. But then you have to go for a white bar at the bottom, the plasma style. The cursor, I want to know what the name is. Arc Dusk Cursors. Okay, it's kind of nice if you want a red-ish look. Then the cursor is a perfect fit. System settings, splash screen. And there's a splash screen here as well. We can watch it if we want. That's this thing. Escape. And the login screen. Yeah, we can change that one as well. Apply. So now we have the login screen from Muse, which is pretty much the same. Another wallpaper, another icon. The rest looks the same. So there you go. Have fun. All the rest is still up to you, right? So a lot of software you need to get. In my case, I'll just do a get nemesis on ALCI. So here it is as well. And then we stop. Whoops. Control Q is not working. I'll go here. We go to data, arcolinux-nemesis, and then we run the script. And it analyzes where am I on something Debian, on all kinds of things, and yeah, sure, chatwm, get it installed, and off it goes, right? Installing everything I need to have, and it will check, okay, I'm on Plasma, so I will get this and this and that as well. All the repos from ArcoLinux are being added, etc, etc. Yeah, here's an update. So yes, we need to intervene manually. Debug edit is a new guy. And off it goes. This takes too long. I could do, well, I'll pause the video and then we'll have a look what I've installed, what it looks like afterwards. Pausing. So last time, quick look. So everything is, we ran all the scripts, arcolinux-nemesis. He figures out, oh, I'm on Plasma. He's gonna get the Plasma stuff and not the rest. Well, design stuff like that. Apps are often the same. And I've made another choice. I've made the choice to have chatwm. Right? So it's fun and it makes sense. If you say I'd like to learn how a tiling window manager works, and at the same time, at that moment in time, keep with a desktop, right? That you know, XFC4, Mate, Cinnamon, and from time to time, if it's only for 15 minutes or 30 minutes a day, play around in the tiling window manager and try to understand what's going on and how it all works. All right, enjoy Linux. This is ALCI, and we had some fun. Hardened, right?